Alright guys, so here are all the supplies you'll need. I'll be sure to list them in the description box below. Alright, you guys already know the drill. I'm just grabbing a t-shirt that I really like and I'm tracing it out. I'm going to extend mine 2 inches because I want it to be oversized. So disregard what this pattern looks like. I can actually have enough fabric to make it how I really want it, but my pockets are 6 by 6 inches. Go ahead and trace the back. For the sleeve, I folded pattern paper in half and you can just see how I trace it out here. Here I'm just creating the flap for the pockets. Remember, my pockets are 6 by 6 inches. I was going for like a Western vibe. And here are all your pattern pieces. Go ahead and attach the yoke to the back pattern piece. Fold and press the pocket. Attach the front and back pieces. For the collar, match the center back pieces, pin and sew. You can totally omit this part, but I wanted belt loops and a belt, so this part is completely up to you. These are the same snaps I used for the Ivy Park pants video, so if you want to see how to use them, go ahead and watch that video. Alright guys, this is a finished product and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. I'm like for real obsessed. Thank you so much for watching this video, my fashion lovers. Remember to stay strong and be fierce. See you in my next video.